Hello my friends, today how to become a millionaire with budgeting. A budget is a spending plan. Budgeting will help you track your income and expenses. By giving a specific location to each dollar bill, you take control of your financial life instead of just spending the money in your bank account aimlessly until it's all gone and waiting for the next paycheck to get deposited to start spending all over again. Peace of mind. Budgeting gives you peace of mind by making crystal clear how much you have, how much is coming in and how much is going out and where the money is going to. Taking charge fully of your finances allow you to sprint into achieving your financial goals. The benefits are huge. It helps stop overspending, helps paying debt. Budgeting will help you save money, will help you reach your goals by laying down a plan, and it will take some of your worries away. Budgeting is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Budget alone will not make you rich overnight, but will help immensely on the long run as a lifestyle. Be prepared to make adjustments. Every month's different, so you have to plan accordingly. This month your car may need new tires or oil change, or birthdays or Christmas might be coming up. Get your entire house on board. Make sure to get your family on board. When budgeting, instead of doing it all by yourself, include your spouse. You are a team. Consider letting your kids have a voice as well, especially if the goal is to save for a vacation or something they wish or desire themselves. Start with most important categories first. These are usually the biggest: rent or mortgage, food, utilities, car and transportation expenses, and health insurance. Do not be scared to cut or trim the budget if needed on certain items such as extra dining outs, movie theater nights, or others. Depending on the cuts, you may set up a plan to readjust or re-add later on. Track your spending and follow a schedule. If too many emergencies out of the ordinary are coming up, actually all emergencies are out of the ordinary, record them down so everything can be accounted for. Use the 24 hours rule when possible. If you feel you need a certain item today, postpone it. Instead, decide to buy it tomorrow, and oftentimes the next day you no longer remember it or actually feel you don't really need it or want it. Credit cards. Since emergencies will always come up, create a buffer. Also, analyze how you use your credit cards. Credit cards can be a great tool to build up your name and get rewards such as cashback, but as long as you use credit cards to buy things that you were going to buy anyway. If instead your credit cards end up messing your plans and budget, and you end up doing extra swipes, consider using a debit card or even cash. Try and experiment new methods. Try the cash envelope technique. For certain categories such as groceries, for example, you may put the budget as cash in an envelope and see how it goes. It may help wonders. Also, there are many budgeting apps that can be a good fit for you. Pen and paper are great, but taking advantage of new free technologies don't hurt. And finally, keep your goals in mind. This can be super motivating. The reason you are budgeting is to achieve something great. Leave your own budgeting tips and tricks in the comment section down below, and you know what I'm going to say next. Let the algorithm gods do their thing. Please do make sure to drop a like. Hulk smash and destroy the subscription button. Share this video with your friends and gently pulverize the notification bell. I'll leave a link down below to my blog page. You are more than welcome to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.